Introducing the LED Vapor-Tight High Bay by WareLight. Available in a 4-foot length, this fixture combines durable construction with energy-efficient performance for spaces where moisture, dust, and harsh conditions are part of the job. This Vapor-Tight High Bay features selectable wattage and CCT for added flexibility. Wattage and color temperature are adjusted using switches located on the inside of the fixture. It offers 160, 180, and 200 watt settings, delivering up to 26,000 lumens. Stainless steel latches provide added corrosion resistance and a secure closure for long-term reliability. These fixtures operate on 120 to 277 volts and include 0 to 10 volt dimming for added control. You can choose from 3 selectable color temperatures: 3500K, 4000K, and 5000K. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, these fixtures deliver consistent performance and strong light distribution across a wide range of demanding applications. These fixtures are IP65 rated, ETL listed, and backed by a 5-year warranty. These are a great fit for car washes, gas stations, industrial sites, parking garages, warehouses, and more. Contact us today to learn more. Thanks for watching.